Hey, what's up, Whitney? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement so you can start beating Katy Roofing and Remodeling as well as Rose Roofing, because if you type in roofing and Katy, these guys show up right at the top. It's really easy to beat them. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourselves. Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of small business owners that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But first off, I wanted to say you guys did a great job on the website. I don't know if you guys designed it yourself or if you paid somebody to do it for you, but it is a absolutely beautiful website. Oh, it looks like you guys paid for Scorpion. They did a great job. Super clean photos. They look pretty unique. They're not the same stock photos I see on every single website. Beautiful animations. It is a very great looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, which is all the stuff you can read on your site. Now, the average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content, and you're sitting at 950. So I would recommend getting yourself up to 1,500 words. But the reason why is because you want to fit in keywords, like, for example, Katy Roofing, roofing and remodeling services in Katy, Texas. What a keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google to find your business. So I found a couple for you here, like roofing in Katy, 200 people search that every month, or roofer in Katy, 200 people search that every month. Katy roofers, 150 people search that every month. So feel free to pause this video and write some of these down because you want to include these in your content. You know, if you showed up number 1 in front of these 3 keywords, that would be a total of 550 people every single month who would find you first when they're ready to purchase roofing. Imagine how much that would change your business. So you want to make sure you have keywords like roofing and Katy inside of your content, and you can see you don't have to anywhere in here. So you can even put at the top like, we provide roofing in Katy you can rely on, or something like that. So that is my first tip for you regarding content. Oh, one more quick one actually. You can save your images as keywords. So like this one is just a bunch of, I don't know what this is. You can save this as roofing in Katy, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't need to use it. Just Google backlink checker. You can find this data for free. It says you have 63 websites linking to you. Katy Roofing only has 20 websites linking to them, and Rose Roofing has 91 linking to them. So like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want the ones that are most trustworthy and relevant. But the secret is they've done all the hard work for you. Because if these 20 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank Katy Roofing, and these 91 are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank Rose Roofing, then they're both going to be trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you as well. So I would go one by one to all of those websites and individually place each one of those as a backlink back to myself. A lot of times it's very simple. Like, for example, Yellow Pages. You create a profile, you put a link on your profile back to your website, and that's a backlink. So it's pretty simple. It's just time consuming. But once you beat your competitors with content, plus you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. But I've got one last tip for you, and that's how to show up in the map section. This is where most calls end up. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie or Yelp or Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Remedy Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the exact same directories and then add a bunch on top. So if Remedy Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Whitney. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this as short and to the point for you as possible. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage, with keywords in there like roofing and Katy, roofer and Katy, Katy roofing, stuff like that. Then you're going to want to take the keyword or the links that are going to Katy roofing and remodeling and Rose roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Remedy Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one, take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting it done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was really great meeting you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great week. See you later, Whitney.